As drone enthusiasts around the globe eagerly await DJI's next big release, the anticipation for the rumored DJI Avata 3 is reaching new heights. Building upon the success of the DJI Avata 2, this next-generation FPV first-person view drone is expected to redefine the limits of drone technology, delivering cutting-edge advancements that cater to both hobbyists and professionals alike. With DJI's reputation for innovation and excellence, the Avata 3 could be a game-changer in the FPV drone market. In this article, we will delve into the possible release date, speculate on the expected features, and explore how the Avata 3 could outshine its predecessor, the DJI Avata 2. While DJI has yet to confirm an official release date for the Avata 3, industry insiders and analysts suggest it could debut in mid to late 2024. DJI typically follows a consistent product cycle, releasing updates and improvements to their popular lines approximately every 1 to 2 years. Given the excitement surrounding this model, many are hopeful that the Avata 3 will make its debut sooner rather than later. Until then, enthusiasts can only speculate about the advancements that DJI has in store. One of the most significant upgrades anticipated for the DJI Avata 3 is its camera system. The current Avata 2 features a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor, which delivers impressive image quality and 4K 60 FPS HDR video recording. However, the Avata 3 is rumored to take this a step further with a larger 1-inch CMOS sensor. This upgrade would result in superior image clarity, richer colors, and improved low-light performance. Features that are especially valuable for professional videographers and photographers aiming for cinematic quality footage. A larger sensor would also allow for greater dynamic range, enabling users to capture intricate details in high-contrast scenes. For creators working in challenging lighting conditions, such as sunrise or sunset, this could be a major selling point. Additionally, DJI might introduce advanced color grading profiles or raw video support, giving professionals more flexibility during post-production. Stabilization is a cornerstone of FPV drone footage, and DJI's Rocksteady and Horizon Steady systems in the Avata 2 already set a high standard. However, the Avata 3 is expected to push stabilization technology even further. Rumors suggest the introduction of enhanced electronic image stabilization, EIS, and possibly a mechanical gimbal. A mechanical gimbal would be a significant addition, providing ultra-smooth footage even during fast or erratic maneuvers. This combination of EIS and mechanical stabilization could make the Avata 3 an unrivaled choice for capturing dynamic, high-speed shots. Battery life is a critical factor for FPV drone pilots, and the Avata 2's 23-minute flight time is already commendable. However, DJI's advancements in battery technology could enable the Avata 3 to achieve flight times closer to 30 minutes. Longer flight durations would not only enhance the overall experience for recreational users, but also provide professionals with the flexibility to capture extended scenes without frequent battery changes. Improved power management systems coupled with more efficient motors could make this possible. Safety and ease of use are essential for FPV drones, especially for those navigating complex environments. The Avata 3 is rumored to feature a revamped obstacle avoidance system, potentially with omnidirectional sensors. Unlike the Avata 2, which offers limited obstacle detection, an omnidirectional system would provide full 360-degree coverage. This enhancement would greatly reduce the risk of collisions, allowing pilots to focus on their creative pursuits without worrying about unexpected obstacles. Such a feature would be especially beneficial for beginners or those flying in dense urban or forested areas. DJI's O3 Plus transmission system in the Avata 2 already delivers an impressive live feed with low latency and high resolution. However, the Avata 3 could introduce the rumored O4 transmission system, which is expected to take performance to the next level. With higher resolution live feeds, reduced latency, and an extended transmission range, the O4 system would be ideal for long-distance flights and professional applications. Pilots could enjoy a more immersive and reliable FPV experience, even in challenging environments. Flight performance is a crucial aspect of FPV drones, and the Avata 3 is expected to raise the bar in this area. With upgraded propulsion systems, including more powerful motors and optimized aerodynamics, the Avata 3 could achieve faster speeds and greater agility. These improvements would benefit freestyle pilots who prioritize precision and responsiveness, as well as filmmakers seeking to capture dynamic, high-energy shots. The combination of enhanced speed, control, and stability would make the Avata 3 a versatile tool for a wide range of applications. DJI has always prioritized making its drones accessible to both beginners and seasoned pilots, and the Avata 3 is likely to continue this tradition. Speculated user-friendly features include simplified control schemes, enhanced flight modes, and more intuitive interfaces. For instance, the DJI RC Motion 3 controller and DJI Goggles 3, already popular with the Avata 2, could receive updates to improve usability and comfort. Additionally, the Avata 3 might include AI-powered flight assistants, such as automated subject tracking or pre-programmed cinematic flight paths, making it easier for users to achieve professional results with minimal effort. The FPV drone market has grown rapidly in recent years, with increasing demand for drones that combine advanced features, reliability, and ease of use. The DJI Avata 3 has the potential to set a new benchmark, offering cutting-edge technology at a competitive price point. By addressing key areas such as image quality, flight performance, and user experience, DJI could solidify its position as a leader in the industry. For recreational pilots, the Avata 3's anticipated improvements in camera capabilities, flight time, and obstacle avoidance would provide an unparalleled flying experience. Meanwhile, professionals in fields like filmmaking, real estate, and environmental monitoring could benefit from the drone's advanced features and robust performance. While waiting for the Avata 3, it's worth noting that the DJI Avata 2 remains an excellent choice for FPV enthusiasts. Priced at $1,199, the Avata 2 offers a powerful combination of features, including a 1x1.7-inch CMOS sensor, 4K 60 FPS HDR video, and a super-wide 155-degree field of view. Integrated propeller guards enhance safety, while the DJI Goggles 3 and RC Motion 3 controller provide intuitive controls and real-time video transmission. With a maximum flight time of approximately 23 minutes, the Avata 2 delivers solid performance and value, making it a strong contender in the FPV market. The DJI Avata 3 represents an exciting step forward in the evolution of FPV drones. With its rumored upgrades in camera quality, stabilization, flight time, obstacle avoidance, and user-friendly features, the Avata 3 could revolutionize the way we approach FPV flying. Whether you're a hobbyist seeking immersive experiences or a professional aiming for cinematic excellence, the Avata 3 promises to deliver unparalleled performance. While the official release date remains unknown, the buzz surrounding this drone suggests that it will be worth the wait. Stay tuned for updates from DJI and get ready to elevate your FPV adventures to new heights.